Welcome to another video on US visas. I'm Shaina, and today I'll explain everything you and your partner need to know about applying for a US K-1 visa. Let's dive right in. A K-1 visa, also known as a US Fiancé visa, allows you to bring your Thai fiancé to the United States for marriage purposes. This is a single entry visa that allows legal entry into the US within 6 months of it being issued. It also enables your fiancé to acquire a US work permit and seek local employment and puts them on the path to getting a green card and permanent residency. Additionally, you can apply for K-2 visas at the same time as a primary visa, which will allow any of your fiancé's children under 21 years old to accompany them. There are some requirements you need to satisfy if you want to apply for a K-1 visa. Your fiancé must intend to use this visa for marriage purposes. You must be able to marry them legally, and you must have met them in person within the past 2 years before submitting the K-1 visa application. As a US partner, you will be labeled as a petitioner. You must provide evidence of your US citizenship, such as a passport or naturalization certificate, an affidavit of support, also known as Form I-134, and a recent tax return as proof that you could financially support your partner. You must also complete an I-129F form, also known as a petition for alien fiancé. This form proves to your immigration officers that your relationship with your partner is genuine, though you will need to provide more evidence of this later. Your Thai fiancé will assume the role of the beneficiary. They will need to complete a DS-160 application form, complete a medical exam, and provide a valid Thai passport, 2 passport-sized photographs, their birth certificate, and a police certificate. Both you and your fiancé must be capable of showing proof of your relationship together as a couple. Examples include a photo of the two of you, evidence you got engaged, statements from your family confirming your engagement, and travel reservations. To start the K-1 visa application journey, submit your I-129F petition and all the required documents to USCIS. After being reviewed by the immigration officer, the petition will be forwarded to the National Visa Center, or NVC for short, in the US. An officer will be assigned there to review the application. If your fiancé has been approved, the application is sent to the US Embassy or consulate you specify, after which you can schedule their visa interview. Upon successful completion of the interview, the embassy officials will grant the K-1 visa to your fiancé. The interview is a very important part of the K-1 visa journey. The US Embassy will send instructions via email to your partner to schedule it once they've received the application from the NVC. As a beneficiary, they should only schedule the interview after receiving this email. Your fiancé must prepare all the documents before attending the interview. To assist them, they will also receive an application packet known as Packet 3, which details all the documents they need to provide. Unfortunately, you won't be able to attend the interview with your fiancé, so ensure they prepare well in advance. The officer in charge of conducting the interview will assess the K-1 visa application and the other documents you provide. During the interview, they will also ask various questions, mostly about your relationship. Your fiancé should show the proof of relationship documents to the officers. Stay calm when being asked these questions and provide accurate responses. Late appointments risk being rescheduled or canceled. Because the final decision on your K-1 visa will not be made until passing the interview, your fiancé should not book any flights until they have received their visa. It's also a good idea to dress nicely for the interview. After being approved for the K-1 visa, there are certain post-approval requirements to fulfill. After the embassy has notified your fiancé of the results, they are then instructed to pick up their Thai passport at the US Embassy, which will have their K-1 visa in it. Your fiancé has to fly to the States within 6 months after being issued the visa. Once they're in the States, they will have 90 days to complete and register their marriage with you in the US. Failure to marry in time will void their visa, forcing your Thai fiancé to leave the US and return to Thailand to start the visa process over again. After getting married, your spouse will be eligible to apply for an adjustment of status in the US to receive a permanent resident card, also known as a green card. If you want to apply for a US K-1 visa, contact Siam Legal for assistance. As a top-performing law firm with over 20 years of experience, Our foreign visa consultants have the skills and expertise to guide you every step of the way and ensure you can bring your fiancé into the States as swiftly and smoothly as possible. That's all for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more US visa insights and updates. สวัสดีค่ะ